Let's make passive income today with this method. You can earn from 50 cents to $4 with this. You can even set this up in less than 5 minutes. This will not take up much of your time. Also, we don't have to spend a dime on this because this is 100% free. Aside from that, we can earn up to hundreds of dollars with this if you just follow all my steps until the end. This has unlimited earning potential, so I don't want you to miss out on this. This is an everyday opportunity which is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. Of course, there will be important details along the way, so don't skip any part of the video so you won't miss out on that. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content about making money online. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. As I've said in the beginning of this video, this is a new method and this is absolutely beginner friendly. So even if you have no prior skills or experience, you can absolutely do this. And we can earn up to hundreds of dollars with this. Okay, so without further ado, I want you to go to this website right here. This one has been really popular and maybe some of you may have heard about this. A lot of people and a lot of companies around the world use this website. And what's so great about this website is that you can earn daily. They pay out daily. For me, the best thing about this, or the best part about this website, is that no selling is involved. I'll be showing you how to get fast leads for absolutely free without selling anything at all, where you can make a lot of money online. So first of all, I want you to go to this website, which is cpalead.com. Again, that is cpalead.com. And just like any other website, we need to sign up for this. And to sign up, just go to the upper right hand corner of your screen and click on this green sign up button right here. You'll then be redirected to this page where you can sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account. And if you don't want to do that, you can scroll down below and sign up with your email address. So all you have to do is fill in these details right here. You know what to do already, so I'm not gonna walk you through that. That's basically how you're gonna sign up on this website, okay? So if we scroll up here above, you can see that they have $1 minimum daily payments. And they have daily and weekly payment options. So you can choose whether you want to receive it daily or weekly. This is really great, especially if we pair this with a passive income strategy. So watch out for that. So what is cpalead.com? This is a CPA website. And what is CPA website? If you're asking or if you're wondering, CPA is cost per action or cost per acquisition. This is an online advertising strategy that allows an advertiser to pay for a specific action from a target customer. So you get earnings per click or earnings per action. So for example, someone signs up on the website, or if someone provides their email address, you earn money. So our target audience or our targeted people don't even need to buy anything. They don't need to purchase anything at all. That's why when you look at this here on this part of the website, they have a lot of things. They have a whole list of stuff, but you don't have to worry about that at all. So after you sign up, you have to log into your account and you'll be redirected to this page right here. This is your dashboard, and right here below you should see all of your sales. But since this is a new account, then there should be nothing here, right? Well, if you look at here, this is where you can find your earnings. But since, again, this is a new account, so there should be $0 here. And here on the left-hand side, you can see the dashboard. We have offers, statistics, lockers, landing pages, we have our offer wall, and all this other stuff here. Now what I want you to do is click on offers right here and you'll be redirected to this page. And then the next thing you'll do is click on country. I want you to focus on this. Look at this. If we click on this, you can see that almost all of the countries all over the world are listed here. And I already told you guys that this is worldwide, so I know that you can find your country here. So you can see here offer type, just select any type. Devices, of course we want all devices. And advertisers, select all advertisers. If you guys like the video so far, please smash the like button and hit subscribe. That said, let's go back to the video. Alright, so the next part is very important. I want you guys to make sure that you clicked on all countries right here. And what we're gonna do next is we're going to find an offer where you think or you know that people will click on it or sign up. Okay? So now let me just scroll down below and look for something appealing. We have here a couple of offers like Monster Masters, quizzes, solitaire, condiment quiz. Oh, here, I saw one. Win an iPhone 12. Now that is appealing. If you look at here on the right side, this is how much you'll earn whenever someone clicks on your link and completes that action, or the action needed in order to be able to win an iPhone 12 or to get a chance to win an iPhone 12. As you can see, this is only for 29 cents, but there are offers that are like about $1. Some are even up to $4 right here. If you just scroll down below, you can just search for anything. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use this as an example. So let me click on win an iPhone 12 because this one is really appealing. I mean, if you see that, then probably you will click on that. So let's just click on that. Again, you can choose whatever you want. You can even choose gift cards, but for now, I don't see any gift card offers here. But if you do, then you can use that because people will click on stuff like free gift cards or chance to win this amount of gift card on this particular online shop or store, right? Alright, so after we click on that, you can see all the details here about the offer. You can see here the payout, the type, the status, and the country. As you can see, this is just an example, okay? So this is only available on South Africa. But there are a lot of different offers that are available all over the world or is available in your country. And if you want to filter it to your country only, then you can go back and select your country on the country list. And here on the type, this is what I mean by CPA. This is the action needed for you to earn $29. So they need to submit their PIN in order for you to earn this amount. So if we scroll down here below, these are the offer restrictions. And these are the targeting rules. Only share with people from these countries. So we have here South Africa. But again, this is just an example. And here only target with these devices. And we have targeted all devices. So they can do this on their mobile phone. They can do this on their laptop, computer, or tablet. And here, converts, PIN, submit. That's just all they need to do. They need to submit their PIN and then you're gonna earn money. So what we'll need to do is copy this link, and whenever someone clicks on that link, the CPA will lead them to an offer where they can get a chance to win an iPhone 12. And regardless if they win or not the iPhone 12, you will still earn money as long as they do the action. So where are we going to get the traffic? Before we proceed, I want you guys to go down to the comment section right now and comment down below which country you come from, so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that will work in your country, because that's what we do here on Mr. Mac Money. We look for ways in making money online to help you. Now let's go back to the video. So the next thing I want you to do is come over to this website, which is tryinteract.com. Again, it's tryinteract.com. What we'll have to do is we're gonna make our own quiz for free, and this is where we're going to drive traffic. Now, click on this Make Your Own Quiz for free and you'll be redirected to this page where you'll have to sign up. Now, this is really easy and I know you already know how to sign up, so I'll leave that to you and let's proceed to the next step. Okay, so after you log in, you'll be redirected to a page which will look like this. And here on the left side, I want you to click on this one at the bottom. which says start from scratch. So click on that, then you'll be redirected here. What type of quiz would you like to create? I want you to click on assessment. So after all that, you'll be redirected to this page, and this will look a bit confusing, but just stay with me because I'll show you how to do this, and this is easy. So we have here, you have to click on cover, and then we have here an untitled quiz. What I want you to do is put in something like answer this and get a chance to win an iPhone 12. Next, I want you to add an image because we humans are visualizers, and most of us click on something if there's an appealing image or something that we're gonna be attracted to, right? So I searched for iPhone 12 photos on Google and I got this. Then I'm going to upload it here and it'll look like this. Now this photo is just an example, so this is really plain and simple, but you can look for iPhone 12 photos and then edit it on canva.com, where you can add text like win this iPhone 12 or something like that. Alright, after we have the photo, what we're gonna do next is add a description. And we're gonna put in here a brief description of what these people are going to get themselves into. So I'm gonna put here, answer this simple quiz and get a chance to win this iPhone 12. So once you've completed that in the cover, I want you to go to results and click here, result 1. And I want you to copy everything you did from cover and put it here on result 1. So you're gonna do everything from the title to the description. Now, here below you can see that there's a call to action. And what I need you to do is write something like click here to access the quiz. Then after that, you can see here you can add a URL, click on URL, and here you can insert your affiliate link from CPA lead, which will lead them to the iPhone 12 offer. So let me just copy my affiliate link and paste it here. So now that we're done with that, I want you to go here to questions and I need you to add a new question. So we're gonna ask them something really basic or something really easy. So I'm gonna ask here, who is the owner of Apple? Then we're gonna add the names here or the choices, and we need 4 different choices. So I have here Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Rihanna. And then after adding the answers, come here and set the correct answer. So click on this and then click on Steve Jobs because that's the right answer. So when they pick the right answer, it'll turn green like this. Now that we're done with that, I want you to click on publish. After that, you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see your link to your quiz. So all you have to do is copy that. And then if you want to preview your quiz, all you have to do is go to your profile and you can see here your quizzes. Then click on preview quiz. And this is how it'll look like. So it looks good, and now we're ready to share it on social media or on the internet. So after they answer the quiz, they'll then be redirected to the link where they can win an iPhone 12. Now for our next step, we need to go to a social media platform where we can promote this. And let's go to Facebook because there are millions of people who are online on Facebook every single day. So when you're on Facebook, I want you to search on iPhone giveaways because our offer is an iPhone giveaway. But if you have other offers, like for example gift certificates, you can search for sweepstakes or free giveaways or something like that. And then the next thing you'll have to do is join these groups. And once you're in, I need you to post or comment on the posts and say along the lines of, hey guys, get a chance to win this iPhone 12 by answering this quiz. Or win this iPhone 12 by answering this quiz. It's that simple. And you can use other platforms too, not just Facebook. You can even share this to your friends. Before you know it, a lot of people will then click on your link and then complete the offer or complete the action. Then you'll earn money. That's how we're gonna earn money with this method. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.